Hello guys, I am Dmitry, I am from Ukraine and I wanna show you my car. Daewoo Nubira Sport hatchback 2 liters muscle car 1998. The moment I first saw it, I fell in love and knew I had to have it. As soon as I got behind the wheel, I felt the power of its 2-liter engine, pumping out a whopping 133 horsepower. For years, this car has brought me joy with its stylish looks and impressive handling. Unfortunately, time has taken its toll and my car has lost its former glory. It drives sluggishly now and the body is getting more and more rust spots every day. I'm passionate about bringing this car back to its former glory, but can't afford to do it on my own. That's why I am asking you, fellow car enthusiasts, to help me restore this car and give me a new lease on life, making it even better than it was when it rolled off the assembly line. Every dollar you donate will go towards saving this car from the junkyard. Please also share your ideas for improvements and customizations in the comments below and we can implement in the future. The more engagement we get, the more interesting content we can create and the faster we can turn this car into a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Bye-bye.